The rain started before we left a home.
I am glad we brought our umbrellas. We have been waiting for 10 minutes. We have been waiting for 10 minutes. Look at the dark clouds above us. The wind is blowing from the east.
The road is covered with puddles now.
Nobody else is waiting at this stop. Maybe the bus is late because of rain. My shoes are getting a little wet.
I can see the bus coming down the road.
The bus is stopping righty in front. Be careful on the wet ground. Be careful on the wet ground. The bus door is opening now.
Close your umbrella before getting on.
There are 2 seats near the window.
Let us sit beside each other.
Yeah.
Let us sit beside each other.
The rain looks beautiful from inside the bus.
The bus is moving slowly through the rain.
Everything outside looks blurry through the window. Where exactly are we going today?
We are going to the market today.
I hope the rain stops before we arrive.
Open your umbrella before stepping outside.
The ground is slippery because of rain. We are out of the bus now. Oh no! My umbrella just flipped inside out.
Come under my umbrella right now. Come under my umbrella right now.
But one umbrella is not enough for 2.
We need to find a shop quickly.
What kind of shop are we looking for?
We need a shop that sells umbrellas.
I cannot see any shop nearby right now. I cannot see any shop nearby right now.
They mightn't sell umbrellas in there.
Let us go inside and have a look.
Look at all the umbrellas on that rack.
There are so many colors and sizes.
Which color do you prefer today? Which color do you prefer today?
I like the dark blue one over there. I like the dark blue one over there. This one will not break in strong wind.
We paid for the umbrella at the counter. The new umbrella is bigger than the old one.